Hey guys, welcome to another video. Last week I put some seeds in here. Over here I have the callaloo. I have some pepper seeds here. These are the beets. Over here is the arugula. Right here I got watermelon. Over here is the red cucumbers. I have corn. And that's so far. Hold on. I see the pigeon peas coming up. I see the gungo peas. There they go. And the long cucumbers, nothing yet. Scotch bonnet, nothing yet. Okra, I'm surprised, nothing yet. And I have some more hot peppers over here. So this is what going on so far. I'll give you another update at another time. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.